How to charge laptop with HDMI, is it possible? Laptops are essentially the most important necessities of each particular person. The characteristic that makes them stand out is their portability. You possibly can carry them around with ease, making them the perfect journey companion. Nonetheless, it's vital to make sure that your laptop computer is charged. A charger is the first laptop computer important that lets you connect your laptop computer. The laptop computer is charged by connecting the charger to an appropriate energy supply. However, life is unfair. There are cases when laptop computer customers misplace the charger or misplaced it utterly. In such cases, having different means to connect the laptop computer come useful. The innovation of expertise has launched a number of different strategies of charging your laptop computer. You possibly can connect your laptop utilizing a USB or telephone. You may as well think about a laptop computer energy financial institution to connect the laptop computer on the go. There are a few different methods of charging your laptop computer with no charger. These choices come in useful whenever you misplace your charger or when it's faulty. Allow us to check out these choices. Connect laptop computer utilizing USB. Connect laptop computer battery externally. Connect laptop computer with telephone. Connect laptop computer in automobile. Nonetheless, is it doable to connect your laptop computer with HDMI? The reply to this query shouldn't be very clear. There are methods utilizing which you'll connect your laptop computer with HDMI in case you misplace your charger. On this article, we are going to focus on methods to use HDMI to connect the laptop computer in case you misplaced your charger. You have an adapter or a connector to attach C USB and HDMI ports through an HDMI or adapter cable for charging the laptop computer. You may as well connect the laptop computer by connecting the Type-C port with the Type-C port of your cell phone utilizing your knowledge cable. The ability equipped won't be excessive, however it's helpful when wanted essentially the most. There may be one other method that lets you connect your laptop computer, Chromebook, or different gadgets using HDMI. You possibly can join the laptop computer to an exterior monitor or TV that comes with an HDMI in port utilizing an adapter cable. An HDMI adapter helps in connecting your laptop computer to your TV so as to stream your favorite motion pictures and movies on the large display. It means that you can improve your visible expertise. Therefore, it's higher to make use of the adapter for casting functions as an alternative of charging.